This is a capture race challenge for white. Black's liberties are very tight, only 3 liberties left, and white also has 3 liberties left. The only challenge is that black has potential eye space here on the corner after the 1 and 2 exchange. If white tries the Atari, white will fail because black will have a real eye and white will have no real eye, and white cannot come in here. Similarly, if white tries something like this, black will have a real eye, and white will not be able to build a real eye, no matter what it tries. That's why the correct move is right here. It's not too hard to find. Because this is near the corner, black cannot play here, and black cannot play here, because black's liberties are very tight. And if black plays on the outside, then white will be able to capture black like this, or this. This is a snapback pattern, and that is what number 3 is aiming for. And of course, if black connects, white can capture black this way. Overall, a pretty easy problem. Number 3 is definitely something you should learn as a beginner or an amateur player. It's a very useful move and a great technique here on the corner. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.